That's yours?
No,
That's awesome, man.
it is not mine.
Oh, it ain't yours? Oh,
No, it's nice though. Great looking Bronco. The bad thing is these things rusted out so much. Very utilitarian, and then they became popular. You know, you get a West Coast Bronco, but hell, they make every part under the sun for these. Pretty interesting. When they first came out, they were little 4-cylinder, and most of the parts were from the Mustang, just like the Falcon. When the Falcon came out, most of the parts were used for the Mustang as well.